children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about numbers and numerations. So let's start with that chapter. 2 digits number, okay? So numbers and numerations में हम पढ़ेंगे 2 digits numbers क्या होते हैं. So first is numbers 1 to 100. We know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 are called digits. ये हमारे digits कहलाते हैं. Numbers from 10 to 99 are 2 digits number. 10 is smallest and 99 is greatest 2 digits number. जो हमारा 10 होता है वो सबसे छोटा नंबर होता है 2 digits का and 99 is our greatest number of 2 digits number. Now write 1 to 100. Okay, so these are the number 1, 2 until 100. So you have to fill it like that. 1, then beta 2, then 3 comes, then 4, then 5, then 6, and similarly you have to fill till 100. I hope you understood. So now move on next. Write the number names. So first one is given 9. So spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. Then 17. So how to write 17? S-E-V-E-N, 7, and then teen, T-E-E-N, 17. This is how we write 17, then 23, then 87. You have to fill it to your own beta, okay? Just do practice well. So now what comes before and after? So 8 से पहले आता है 7, then 8 के बाद आता है 9. Similarly 21 before 20 and 21 after 22. Yes. Similarly 35. So before 35, 34 comes. And after 35, 36 comes. Okay, so just fill it to your own. Now what comes in between? So between कौन से आते हैं? 9 के बाद 10 and 11. Similarly 35, then 36, then 37. Yes, so write it 36 here, then 46, 47. Yes, correct. So this is simple counting. You only need to understand which number comes in between. Okay, so now move on next one, which is carry on the pattern. First one is given 11, then 12 is skip, 13, 14 skip, 15. Similarly 15 के next 16 skip, then 17. 18 नहीं है, then 19, 20 skip, then 21. Similarly 22 नहीं है, 23, and similarly 24, then 25. This is how we just fill the pattern. Okay, I hope you understood. So now next is filling the boxes. What comes just before 22? 22 से पहले क्या आता है? Yes, it's very easy. 21. Similarly, what comes just after 29 is 30. Okay, we know the counting very well till 1 to 100, so we just do it that one. So now filling the blanks, the number before 48 is 47. Similarly, the number after 49 is 50. And the number before 80, 80 से पहले क्या आता है? Yes, 79. Okay, so this is how you have to fill. Now next, write in words. 13. So beta spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R, 13, T-E-E-N, teen, 13. And उसके बाद 19. So write it 19 like this, N-I-N-E, 9. Then teen, 19. Okay, so this is how you have to fill the next one. Write the short form. 40 plus 3 makes number 43. This is the short form of that one. Similarly 20 plus 7 makes number 27. 80 plus 4 makes number 84. Okay, I hope you understood. So now next one is write in the expanded form, means long form. 57, how to make 57? 50 plus 7 makes number 57. Similarly 69, 60 plus 9 makes number 69. Similarly 28 beta, 20 plus 8, if you add 20 plus 8 you will get 28. Okay, so now next is filling the blanks as on the abacus. So this is abacus. How many beats at one place? 3 beats. On tens place 2 beats. So 2 plus 3, that means 2 tens plus 3 ones makes number 23. इसी तरीके से वंस के प्लेस में how many beats are there? 2. So write it 2. On tens place, how many beats? Exactly 3. So we can say that it becomes now 32. Okay, so this is how we have to fill the other one beta. This is very easy. Now next one is comparison. Compare the digits in tens. If equal, compare digits in ones. पहले आप क्या करोगे? Tens के digits को compare करोगे, then ones की place को. Okay, compare and write which one is smaller, greater and is equal to. First one is given 47 and 74. So 74 clearly is greater than 47. Similarly, 34 and 43. So yes, 43 is greater than 34. 67 and 76. 76 is greater than 67. Okay, this is very easy. You just fill it your own beta. The smallest number comes before the others while counting. Yes, this is just note. Revise it. Next, write the smallest number. So these are the number. You have to find the which is smallest number among all. So first is done. Now move on second. 21, 23, 31 and 14. Which one is smallest? Yes, clearly 14. So beta write it 14 over here. Similarly 97, 79, 77 and 87. So सबसे छोटा number हमारा है 77. So write it 77 here like this. Okay. While counting, largest number comes after the others. Okay. Just practice well. Write the largest number. Now in this time you have to find the largest one. So first one is done. So move on next. 42, 24, 43, 34. So yes, we can say that 43 are largest number. So write it 43 beta very nicely. Then 66, 77, 88 and 98. Yes, you're right. 98 is our greatest, or you can say that largest number. So move on next one. Order. Write in ascending order. Ascending order is from the smallest to the largest. छोटे से बड़ा हमारा ascending order कहलाता है. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first one is 45, 44, 55, 54 and 50. So among all, which number is smallest first? So we say that 44 is smallest. So write it 44 here. Cut it from list. 44 के बाद में 45. So write it 45. Again cut it from list. Then 50. Yes. So write it 50. Cut it from list. उसके बाद 54. So write 54 and at last 55 just remains. So write it 55 over here. This is how we just find out which is smallest and then greatest number. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of that one. Now beta move on. Write in descending order. Descending order is from the largest to the smallest. बड़े से छोटे में जाना है. So first one is 44, 45, 56, 54 and 65. Yes. So among all, we know that 65 is our greatest number. So write it 65. Cut it from list. उसके बाद हमारा आता है yes 56. So write it 56. Cut it from list. Then 54. So write it 54. Cut it from list too. उसके बाद हमारा आता है 45. So write it 45 here and at last what number remain? Exactly 44. So write it 44 and this is how we done the ascending order of that particular one. Okay. I hope you understood. So now move on next one, which is filling the blanks. A is the first letter of the English alphabet and D is the, yes, A first, then second, then third and then fourth. So D is at our fourth letter. So write it fourth. This is how we just find out the F कौन सी place पर है and then H कौन सी place पर है. Similarly, in a week, Monday is at first day. So Monday first date पे है तो write it first. Okay, and then Tuesday second, तो write it second. Okay, similarly in mathematics, the fifth letter is, mathematics में fifth letter कौन सा है? Fifth letter. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth. तो fifth में है हमारा E. So write it E. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is how you just fill the other blanks too, beta. Okay, so this is note like descending order, this is ordinal number. You just read that notes too. Okay, I hope you understood. So now move on, beta. Next one, which is addition. Add the followings. So first one is given 7 plus 9. So if you add both the number, then you will get 16. 7 plus 9 makes number 16. Okay. Similarly, 9 plus 8. If you add 9 with 8, then you will get 17. Okay. So this is how you just need to fill other blanks too. Now move on, add 42 and 34. So beta 42 plus 34 is equal to 76. First add the ones and then add the tens place. Okay. So like this, 42 plus 34 पहले ones की place को solve करा, then tens की place को solve करा. Okay. So add the followings. अब इसी method से आप add करेंगे. First one is given 45 plus 23. So start from ones place. So 5 and 3 is 8. Write it 8. And 4 or 2 is 6. So write it 6 like that. Similarly, next one is 90 plus 7. So you have to start with ones place. 0 has no value. So 7 remains 7 itself. And 9 is 9. So 90 plus 7 makes number 97. I hope you understood. So fill it your own beta next. Subtract. Subtract the followings. So first one is given 9 and 4. So you have to subtract 9 and 4. So 9 और 4 में से गया 5. 9 में से 4 गए 5. Similarly 5 में से 3 गए 2. Okay. So fill it your own beta. Now subtract 42 from 68. 68 minus 42 is equal to 26. First subtract the ones and then subtract the tens. पहले ones को subtract करोगे, ones की place को, then tens की place को. So ones tens like 68 minus 42 you will get 26. Okay. आपने ones से start किया, then tens की place से start किया. Similarly 75 minus 25. You have to start with ones place. 5 में से 5 गए 0, 7 में से 2 गए 5. So 50 is the answer of that one. Similarly 2 में से 1 गया 1 and 4 में से 2 गए 2. Okay. So these are the other blanks. You have to fill it your own beta. Okay. Just do practice. So now move on next one, which is place value. The value of digits in different places is called place value. Okay. For example, using digits 2 and 3, we can make two numbers as 23 and 32. So this is abacus. 2 and 3, 23. In 23, place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 3 is 3. Similarly, this is 32. ये 32 है हमारा. In 32, place value of 3 is 30 and place value of 2 is 2. Okay. So 23 हमारा ये कैसे बना? 2 plus 3 makes number 23. मतलब 20 plus 3 23. इस 32 में हमारा क्या बना? 32 कैसे बना? 3 tens plus 2 ones makes number 32. मतलब कि 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So this is how we just add the place value. Okay. So now move on next one, which is write place value of a digits in given numbers. The place value of 5 in 54. 54 में 5 की place value क्या है? So 54 में 5 की place value 50. Similarly, the place value of 4 in 54. So 4 की place value है 4. Okay. So these are the example of place value. Just fill it your own beta. Addition with carrying. We write two digits numbers in tens and ones. For example, in 14 there are 14 ones. We can regroup is at 14. 14 ones is equal to 110 plus 4 ones. Okay, 14 ones का मतलब होता है 110 plus 4 ones. Similarly, 18. In 18 there are 18 ones. We can regroup it as 18 ones. 18 ones is equal to 110 plus 8 ones. Okay. Add 14 and 18. अब हम 14 को 18 से add करना सीखते हैं. So 14 plus 18 is equal to 32 means 2 tens plus 12 ones is equal to 2 tens plus 1 10 plus 2 ones is equal to 3 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 32. And this is the regroup and carrying. So 14 plus 18. Add the ones. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and you have to start with ones place. Then 12 is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. Write 2 under ones. Carry 110 in like tens place. So 14 plus 18. Add the sums. 1 plus 1 plus is equal to 3 tenths. So this is how we just solve the ones place and tens place. Okay, so now add 17 plus 4. So method is same. Start with ones place. So 7 and 4, we know that 7 plus 4 is become 11. So 11 ka 1. Carry over to tens place. Then 1 and 1 becomes 2. So 21 is the answer of that one. Similarly, next one is beta 29 plus 6. So start with ones place. 9 plus 6 is our 15. So 15 ka 5. Carry 1. And 2 or 1 is 3. Okay, so this is how we just add the sums. Okay, I hope you understood. So now beta move on next topic, which is subtractions with borrowing. We can regroup the tens and ones in a number as 23. So 23 have to make 2 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 110 plus 13 ones. Okay, subtract 14 from 43. अब 43 में से 14 को subtract करेंगे. So these are the method, 3 में से 4 you can't, it's not possible. So 43 कैसे बना? 40 plus 3. So 30 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 30 plus 13. So borrow 110 2, that it becomes 13 ones. So this is the method of that one. Just read and practice very well beta. Okay, now subtract 23 minus 8. So method are same beta. You can't subtract 8 from 3. 8 में से 3 subtract नहीं हो सकता. Then 3 will take 1, borrow from 2 tens. So it becomes now 13. Yes. So write it like this: 2, 3 and 8. So now it become 13 and it remain 8. So 13 में से 8 अब आप माइनस कर सकते हो. तो 13 में से 8 गया, 8 के बाद 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So write it 5 and here it is 1 remains. So 1 ka 1. Okay. So 15 is the answer of that one. So these are the example of that one beta. Now you have to do practice. So now move on next one, which is texting time 2.1. Write before and after in the boxes. So first one is given 45. So 45 से just before आता है हमारा. Yes, you're right. 45 से पहले आता है 44 and 45 के just after 46. Yes, okay. Similarly 39 से पहले और 39 के बाद में क्या आता है? You have to fill other one yourself beta. Now move on next one, which is write number names. First one is given 56. Then spelling of 56 is like F-I-F, T and S-I-X 6, 56. Okay. Similarly 43, 87 and 69. You have to write the numbers name. Next is write in long means expanded form. So 89 is given. So 89 का expanded क्या होता है हमारा? We know that 89 is 80 plus 9 makes number 89. Okay, so these are the other sums. Now beta you have to do practice well. Okay, so with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understand the whole concept of that one. Okay, you only need to do practice. Just do practice well.